Hello all, welcome to our channel. How to creating for LinkedIn ads. The purpose of generating website traffic. So my website will be entertainment or like kind of anything they will not support. Education related website will be most of the promoting for through LinkedIn option. So in a LinkedIn account, first of all, select your LinkedIn company page, post it. So we can go with here, which is our page is there. Here you can go for select by here. Done. Post it. Next one. Going to here, every option will be here. The last one is called advertisement. Click the advertisement option. After click the advertisement, create account. Account will be Rudra's Promotions, Indian rupees, URL. So whatever your company page, the URL will be selected will be here. So first you can add the account name and currency. After that, LinkedIn company page. One interview question is there. In a LinkedIn, we have LinkedIn profile, company page, groups. But we can create ad will be using for LinkedIn company page option. So that is called, first of all, create the LinkedIn company page option. After that, you can create by ad will be here based on the currency. If you am stay for India, can I create ads will be used from dollars as it is possible by adding for dollars will be here. Now you can run ad will be Indian rupees. Click for next. After that, they can show you a particular campaign option. Create here, go for the campaign. There's new campaign go active. Next. This particular option name is called here brand awareness. There is a three top categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. The conversion is nothing but we can go with the lead generation form. They fill up the form. The details will came to LinkedIn and to contact the customer. But my goal is called website traffic. See, lead it. I want to more people visit to my website destination site on of LinkedIn. Drive traffic to your website, drive traffic to your marketing branding pages, drive traffic to your LinkedIn events. Click it. After this one, select your location. They will give by India. I'll give by Hyderabad. So it is possible for particular one location. It is possible will be particular one location. So first of all, I mean Hyderabad is the top. Remain all option always. You can go for branding purpose. After this one, prefer language only one. Why? Because they will prefer only for one language. Complete. If you are spending for one day, 2,600 to 646 rupees. Impression will be 650 to 27,000 impression. CTR click through rate clicks by impression to 100. One day clicks 40 to 160 clicks. One day cost per click 57 rupees to 86 rupees. The budget will decide by will be here. So single image, scroll down will be here. Daily budget 4,000. I'll give by 40 rupees. What will happen? Check it out. The minimum budget, how much will be start from? 500 onwards. Same like Google AdWords. How much Google AdWords budget will be going on? 500, same will be. So a lot of difference will be there. If I'm give by 500 rupees for daily budget, nothing will be possible on LinkedIn. Very less people will be reached for LinkedIn account. So start date. If you need by end date, you mention by the end date option. Optimize goal, maximize delivery to get more customer results possible with your full budget. Next, save it. When design campaign time, only one thing remember your daily budget, add preview option. That is compulsory important. Create ad will be here. We can go for it. Introduction text. So I can go with the old posters, which is done by here. Are all posters. Copy. Just creation purpose here. Provides call to action. Apply anything. You can go for sign up. So where you can target by the here. Upload image. So email where you can take from that. Existing post not promote by the your LinkedIn account. Be careful that. So I'll say about this will be video previously. Facebook email will promote through Facebook page, not like that. So compulsory will be here. Next, final what we can call create the a particular ad. Ad was created, so we can go with here. So there will be. So the latter I can do. So budget will be 1 day. Spending will be 300 rupees to 828 rupees. How many impression? 1000 to 4000. How much CTR? Clicks by impression to 100. How many clicks? 14 to 55 clicks. So that will done. Finally, click for next. What is that? Review order, or else we can show option name is called launch the campaign. So if you have any doubts will be there, review the order. After they can go for launch the campaign option. So ad creation time only remember page selection, goal selection, and vista selection, area selection, anything is important and particular ad. Budget is not a problem. Only reaching is more to audience that we can go for LinkedIn option. But is only for professionals, not for the filmmakers and anyone. So follow these materials and options are here and make it from the LinkedIn ads, create it, launch the campaign will be here. Final the launch the campaign, the ad will be not run. Almost there, no payment method is saved. Go for account overview. After that, if you go for bill center, click here, they can go to the bill center option will be there. So account will already the stage active. Pause. If you delete the account will be here. Delete option will be here. Where? Into the star mark option. So be careful to create ad and getting for more clicks on your particular website. Is building it for everything. So any kind of things will be here. They can go to the account and fill the billing center option. LinkedIn supporting only for credit card only, not for debit card. So Paytm, anything will not accept it. So that is reason be careful to add budget and clear the LinkedIn ads. So if you have any questions are there in your LinkedIn account ad creation, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.